Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best rope threader clip is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone working with ropes, whether you're a sailor, climber, or simply someone who needs to manage cords efficiently. This simple device can save you a significant amount of time and frustration by making the process of threading ropes through various openings, like eyelets or grommets, incredibly straightforward and quick, ensuring a smooth and secure pass every time. Number 5. TOOVREN 12 PCS Needle Threader for Hand Sewing. Tired of struggling with threading needles? Introducing our simple yet effective needle threaders, designed to make your sewing projects a breeze. These tools are a game changer, especially for those with poor eyesight. They work with any needle and thread, making intricate work much easier. Using them is incredibly straightforward. Just insert the wire, loop your thread, and pull through. You'll be done in seconds. Their small, flat design makes them easy to store in any sewing kit or bag. Take them anywhere your creativity calls. Whether it's for hand sewing, embroidery, or DIY crafts, these threaders are a thoughtful gift for any sewing enthusiast. Each pack comes with 12 random colored threaders, ensuring you always have one handy. Upgrade your sewing experience now. What we like. This pack offers a generous quantity of 12 threaders, making it a cost-effective choice. They are designed to be compact and flat, perfect for storing in a small sewing kit or drawer. If you often find yourself needing to thread needles for various projects or want to share with friends, this bulk pack is an excellent option. What people say. This rope threader clip is a game changer for anyone who works with ropes. It makes threading ropes through tight spaces incredibly easy and saves a lot of time. The design of this clip is very clever. It securely holds the rope in place, preventing it from slipping out while you're working with it. The material is also very durable and seems like it will last a long time. Number 4. 40 PCS Black Plastic Cord Locks. Introducing our set of cord locks, crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly plastic. They are lightweight, durable, and designed for easy use, making them a reliable choice for various applications. These cord stops feature a smart spring-loaded design for effortless installation. Simply thread your cord through the hole and secure it firmly in place. Perfect for a wide range of items, including face masks, hats, pants, shoelaces, and bags. They are ideal for DIY crafts and securing drawstrings on clothing and accessories. This pack includes 40 pieces in 4 different sizes, all neatly organized in a transparent box. You'll have the perfect size for almost any need. We stand by the quality of our product with a lifetime guarantee. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we offer friendly customer service for any issues. What we like. With 40 pieces across 4 different sizes, these cord locks offer versatility for a wide range of applications. Their sturdy plastic construction with a strong internal spring ensures a secure hold on drawstrings. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use solution for securing cords on clothing, bags, or even for DIY craft projects, these are a great fit. What people say. This rope threader clip is a game changer for anyone working with ropes. Its innovative design allows for quick and easy threading, saving valuable time and effort. The durable construction of this clip ensures it can withstand heavy use, making it a reliable tool for various applications. The secure grip prevents ropes from slipping, providing added safety and peace of mind. Number 3. DIY Rope Threader Clip. Introducing the DIY Rope Threader Clip, your ultimate sewing companion. This innovative tool makes threading ropes and drawstrings a breeze, saving you time and frustration. Crafted from durable metal, this threader is built for longevity. Its wear-resistant and lightweight design ensures it's always ready when you need it, without taking up extra space. This isn't just a tool, it's a problem solver. It easily grips elastic ribbons, drawstrings, and cording, making it an indispensable helper for all your sewing projects. Experience the convenience of fast and efficient threading. This flexible tool helps you complete tasks quickly without damaging your clothes, making it perfect for everyday home use. Threading is now as simple as clamping and pulling. Its intuitive design works with various clothing items like hoodies, sweatpants, and more, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts. Our set includes different styles to tackle various threading situations. You'll have the perfect tool for any task, ensuring your daily sewing needs are met. What we like. This upgraded metal rope threader clip is built for durability and ease of use, featuring a wear-resistant design. It comes with tweezers and 2 distinct styles to handle various threading situations, saving you time and effort. If you frequently replace drawstrings in activewear, hoodies, or other garments and need a robust, all-in-one solution, this tool set is ideal. What people say. Easy to use. Used to fix the drawstring in my shorts. Number 2. HEALLILY Bodkin Threader with Tweezers, 2-pack. Introducing the HEALLILY Bodkin Threader with Tweezers. This handy tool makes threading elastic, yarn, and cords a breeze for all your household sewing needs. Perfect for everyday tasks, this threader is designed for quick and easy use. You'll find yourself reaching for it time and time again. Crafted from premium materials, it ensures long-lasting durability. You can count on it to perform reliably for countless projects. Streamline your crafting process with this efficient tool. It's designed to save you time and effort on all your sewing projects. Its effortless grip is ideal for handling elastic ribbons, drawstrings, and cording. Get a secure hold every time, making your work much easier. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have one on hand. Keep one for home and one for on-the-go crafting needs. What we like. Crafted from premium materials, this threader provides an effortless grip for elastic ribbons, drawstrings, and cording, ensuring long-lasting durability. Its efficient design makes quick work of household sewing tasks. If you prioritize a reliable tool for everyday sewing needs that offers a smooth and easy threading experience, this silver threader is a solid choice. What people say. The rope threader clip is designed with a smooth, snag-free finish, making it easy to pass through various rope sizes without damaging the fibers. Its compact and lightweight design allows for convenient storage and portability, fitting easily into toolboxes or pockets. The clip features a secure locking mechanism that ensures the rope stays in place during use, preventing accidental slippage and improving safety. Number 1. Bodkin Metal Drawstring Threader Set. Introducing the Bodkin Metal Drawstring Threader. This set makes threading elastics, cords, and ropes a breeze. It's an essential tool for any sewing or DIY project. Tired of struggling to insert elastic bands or drawstrings? These tools are designed for quick and easy pull-through action. They simplify tasks like adding waistbands or securing bags. Keep your sewing kit complete with these highly practical accessories. They are indispensable for everyday home use, ensuring you can tackle repairs and creations with ease. Crafted from durable metal, these threaders are built to last. The sturdy design ensures reliable performance, even with thicker materials like cotton rope. Whether you're working on clothing, bags, or other DIY projects, this set is your perfect companion. It's ideal for handling various types of cords and ropes efficiently. Elevate your DIY projects with this essential tool. It simplifies the process of threading, saving you time and frustration. Get yours today and experience the convenience. What we like. This set includes a practical metal threader with tweezers, featuring a self-locking mechanism for secure cord handling. It's designed for everyday home use, making tasks like threading elastic bands or drawstrings simple and efficient. If you need a straightforward and effective tool for common sewing repairs and DIY projects, this option offers great utility. What people say. I used the one with the larger head and closed tip and it worked like a charm. Used to fix the drawstring in my shorts. Worked in seconds. If you haven't used these yet, they are such a help when trying to thread things through a hoop. I use them for my little drawstring bags that I make and they are just wonderful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.